Hi, this is going to be a quick video about how filtered space triggers work. So with normal triggers, what will happen is if objects go inside of them, they automatically get triggered. But sometimes we don't always want that to happen. We want that to be conditional. So for this one, we have conditional space trigger. So as you saw, I go here, nothing happens. But if we were to pick up a red box and then put it into the red space trigger, boop, did you see that little block disappear? So this feature is very useful for puzzle type games, like in Doom, where you need to get the red key card before you can get through the door. I guess in this case we need to have the red box and the blue box in the right position before the yellow box falls down. So if I drop this blue box down here, that last barrier that's holding that yellow box up will disappear, and then subsequently open the door. And yeah, so that's basically how that works really quickly. So let's delve deeper a bit into how that actually happens. So these here are just your normal interactable triggers, except there's some extra features to it. So you can see that it has a filtered string called yellow, so this yellow one. So that basically means that it's looking for an object that has a component called trigger filter, that also has the same filter string. So essentially what it's matching is just this yellow and yellow, this word yellow. And then that means that if this condition is met, then it will go ahead and activate the onTriggerEnter event as usual. So in this case, this yellow trigger is connected to the door, and it's basically just setting the animation trigger to say open, and that's why it opens. In a similar way, the blue and the red have the same kind of situation. So you have the filter string of red for the red one, and then you can see that with the red one it also has a trigger filter component that has the filter string red. So then when this red object comes in to the red area, it will I guess in this case in the onTriggerEnter event, it will talk to this barrier here, which is over that thing, and then say, okay, please deactivate yourself. So I guess set game object, set active, and then that's a false instead of it turning it on. So yeah, that's basically how that works. That's one example of how you can do puzzle type games like that. The way to get to that particular example is you go to the standalone examples folder, and then this is number 18, trigger filters puzzle. Oops, so that we were already there, so I don't need to load it again. Okay, don't want to make this video too long, so thanks for watching. Bye bye.